Staying with Uttar Pradesh. Now, one of the big parties once for UP has been Bahujan Samaj Party led by Mayawati. Mayawati announced a successor, her young nephew, Akash Anand. But soon after, she put out a statement saying Akash Anand is not going to be the successor anymore till he gains political maturity. What happened? Because this, remember, was very significant. Many were asking where is the second-rung leader for the Bahujan Samaj Party. Akash Anand has now been sacked and as the national coordinator of the BSP. She's posted a statement on social media, and Mayawati has said decision taken in the larger interest of the party, that the leadership of BSP is not going to shy away from making every kind of sacrifice to take forward Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's ideology. In December last year, Mayawati declared Anand as the successor. But interestingly, one of the reasons we are told, and it appears, is that while the model code of conduct was on, there's been a violation. And the violation registered against him in Sitapur in Uttar Pradesh because he compared BJP government in UP in the state to Afghanistan's Taliban terrorists.
जिस तरीके से आकाश आनंद को उनके पदों से बर्खास्त किया गया है, वो आकाश आनंद जो बसपा के उत्तराधिकारी थे, वो आकाश आनंद जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी से लगातार सवाल पूछ रहे थे और भाजपा को वो सवाल चुभ रहे थे, आदरणीय मायावती जी ने आकाश आनंद को बर्खास्त करके ये बात जग जाहिर कर दी है कि बसपा और भाजपा का घोषित गठबंधन है। समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि जनता सब देख रही है और जनता जवाब देने का काम करेगी।
आकाश आनंद जिस तरह से गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान दे रहे थे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लेकर के जिस तरह की अपमानजनक टिप्पणी उन्होंने की थी, जनता के बीच में उनका बहुत आक्रोश इसको लेकर के पनपा था और मायावती जी ने इस बात को महसूस किया, इसीलिए आकाश आनंद को तमाम जिम्मेदारियों से मुक्त करने का काम किया है। लेकिन मायावती जी जो बहुजन समाज पार्टी एक मिशन के रूप में माना करती थी, जो बाद में कमीशन में तब्दील हो गया है, क्या इसमें कोई बदलाव कर पाएंगी? क्या वो परिवार के इतर फिर पार्टी की कमान किसी सामान्य दलित को देकर के पार्टी को आगे बढ़ा पाएंगी? ये आने वाले समय में जरूर देखा जाएगा कि मायावती जी के परिवारवाद के मोह से मुक्त हो पाएंगी।
जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने श्री आकाश आनंद जी को कोऑर्डिनेटर के पद से हटाया है और एक शब्द इस्तेमाल किया है मैच्योरिटी, तो उस पर मायावती जी के निर्णयों पर गंभीर प्रश्न खड़े होते हैं। अगर वो मैच्योर थे तो उन्हें बनाया क्यों था? जब वो जमीन पर भाषण देने लगे, जब वो बहुजन समाज के साथ काम करने लगे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ काम करने लगे, तभी आपने उनको पद से हटा दिया। तो ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं जिस तरीके से टिकट चेंज कर रही हैं मायावती जी और अब आकाश आनंद जी को हटाया है, तो भाजपा से मिली भगत स्पष्ट परिलक्षित हो रही है।
I bring in India Today's Samarth Srivastava this morning into the telecast. And Samarth, it's very interesting. Remember, because many were wondering who after Mayawati, and there appeared to be a successor. Before he could even take on the mantle properly, he's out. What are you picking up as the background that Mayawati would take such a strong decision to not only ensure that her own nephew doesn't get the position now, but it is also perhaps to not escalate anything wrong within the party?
Well, Pooja, not to be forgotten, he is the nephew of Mayawati, the BSP Supremo, and that's why it becomes very important why Mayawati had to tweet around 8:10 p.m. yesterday that he's immature. And that's a bigger question. What made Mayawati to take this particular step when she herself announced Akash Anand as her successor? That's a big thing. We saw at the BSP office, a meeting was held where Mayawati had addressed the BSP voters and clearly said that he will be my successor, my nephew Akash Anand. And then we saw a series of rallies by Akash Anand as well. But once he went to Sitapur rally, things deteriorated with time because he used such objectionable language for the BJP and other parties as well, especially when he talked about the paper leak incident. And for that matter, an FIR was also registered by Sitapur police. And from that point of time, things went bad for Akash Anand and the BSP as well. We saw that how Mayawati cancelled all his rallies after the Sitapur rally, where he made such objectionable comments, even comparing the Saffron party with the terrorists. So these were the objectionable comments on which the FIR was registered. And later, after the cancellation of rallies, it came to light that he was still, in a way, campaigning via social media, and that's what Mayawati was not liking, that when she has cancelled rallies, this is one such situation which is coming up while the opposition parties, including the SP and the Congress, are blaming Mayawati to be running or in the lines of the BJP, whatever BJP is saying, she is doing the same, and that's why after the change in tickets, especially in
Yes.
Azamgarh, Basti, and
Samarth, it's very
various
interesting because BSP's survival and political future is as crucial, specifically for Uttar Pradesh politics, for Dalit politics and much more, if it has a national ambitions to then garner support as well. What happens to BSP? We'll be tracking the latest on that.